Good morning, student. Today my topic name is natural resources and pollution. Natural resources. Natural resources क्या होते हैं? Natural things like soil, water, coal, petroleum and air are known as a natural resources. Some natural resources such as coal and petroleum are being used in large quantities and may soon get finished. Pollution. When the environment becomes dirty because of human activity, it is not safe to live. The process of making air, water and land dirty is called pollution. Types of pollution. Pollution चार तरह का होता है. Air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. Air pollution. When the air becomes dirty and harmful to breathe, it is called air pollution. इसके बहुत से कारण होते हैं, जैसे burning of coal and waste or garbage produces smoke in the air. Bursting firecrackers make the air impure. Smoke from vehicles and factory chimneys pollute the air. And burning of plastic bag bottles produces bad smell and smoke. Effect of air pollution. इससे हमें बहुत सारी इफेक्ट भी पड़ती हैं, जिससे जैसे ब्रीथिंग पॉल्यूटेड एयर कैन मेक पीपल इल. वी सफर फ्रॉम ब्रीथिंग problems and lungs diseases. Polluted air is harmful for plants and animals too. Smoke, a mixture of smoke and fog, is seen in big cities. It is very unsafe to breathe and smog. Water pollution. When water gets dirty and becomes unfit to drink, it is called water pollution. Causes of water pollution. Sewage coming from houses goes into rivers. Washing clothes on rivers banks. Animals bathing in rivers and ponds. Factories empty their harmful waste into various water bodies. Oil leaks from ships and ferries pollute the ocean and seas. Effect of water pollution. Polluted water becomes unfit for drinking. Dirty water is also harmful for plants, trees and animals. We can fall ill by drinking dirty water. Land pollution. When land is made dirty by throwing garbage and factory waste, it is called land pollution. Causes of land pollution. Disposal of chemical waste from factories into the soil pollutes it. Overuse of fertilizers such as insecticide by farmers in field makes the land unfit for growing crops. Throwing garbage and waste products like plastic bags and bottles in the open causes land pollution. Effect of land pollution. Polluted soil is harmful for plants and trees. Using too much fertilizer makes the soil unfit for growing crops. It also attracts many flies, cockroaches and other insects. Houses, hospitals, waste and other places rotting in the open produce bad smell. Noise pollution. Any sound that is loud, unpleasant and continuous for a long time is called noise pollution. Causes of noise pollution. Traffic is the main cause of noise pollution. Loudspeakers played at high volumes harm their ears. Loud music and watching television at high volumes causes noise pollution. Effects of noise pollution. Loud noise is harmful to the ears. It is difficult for people to live and work in areas with high noise pollution. It is bad for babies as well as sick and elderly people. Save the earth from pollution. इसके लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? Plant more trees. Do not use plastic bags or poly bags. Use jute bags and recycled products. When driving, do not honk. Do not throw litter on the road or in any water body. Do not listen to loud music. Thank you. Make sure to subscribe. Please like कीजिए. Be happy and be safe.